What's going on, traders? Mark here at DynoTrading, coming at you today with some food for thought. But first things first, what a week it's been, right? Especially for those of you guys that are somewhat new to trading volume and volatility. I mean, you really could not have asked for a better week to trade the market. It was simply epic. And the question that I think everybody is asking now is, where do we go from here, right? Now that there has been a huge spike in volatility, hope you guys were able to catch this massive sell-off on Friday, by the way. You can see here this master indicator absolutely nailed the exact top of the sell-off. Okay, well, a lot of people are asking, where do we go from here? And here's my take on it. It don't matter where we go from here, right? As traders, we come prepared every single day and we try to look for high probability and low risk setups. That's your job as a trader. Nothing more, nothing less. Okay? Because now we got all these pundits and these quote unquote experts on TV talking about, is the market overvalued? Is the market undervalued? Who knows and who cares? That is not our job as day traders, right? Our job as day traders is to try to make a little bit of money and try to be consistent each and every day. And that's why I think this master indicator here, aka the vol, aka this green and red color band that you see on the screen right now, that's why I think this is really helping my customers and my clients crush it repeatedly. All right. And this was just the sell-off part of the session. All right. I haven't even talked to you about how this thing nailed the rally in the morning, right? And so when I say we had one of the best trading days in American history on Friday, and I think we're going to see this continually in the next couple of weeks and months, all right, I'm not joking about that. All right, guys and gals, there is so much opportunity to be had. I want you guys to continue to be diligent and disciplined in your trades, especially when you're looking for these high probability retracement setups. All right, because I think as professional traders, we are going to be in for an absolute treat over the next 60 days. Okay, mark my words, you heard it in this video first. The next 60 days, what they call the fall season, is going to be incredible. I think it's going to be epic, and I sincerely hope that every day is going to look like this. I don't know if it will or if it won't, but I'm willing to bet you that we are going to see these perfect retracement trades continue to print just like you've seen over the last several weeks and months. And I think you're going to see with your very own eyes what this master indicator is capable of as the market volatility surges. All right, because that's going to be a day trader's dream. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.